After hitting rock bottom, I became obsessed with mindset and stumbled upon 4-step process to control my thinking. This allowed me to unlock goals I never dreamed possible. By the end, you will have a bulletproof blueprint to maximize your mind's potential. But before I start, hi, my name is Hagop Avedikian, and here on this channel I make content about sales, lead generation, and running successful agency. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now let's start. Step number 1, awareness. It all starts with becoming aware of your thoughts. Take a moment to observe your mind. What thoughts are running through it? Are they positive or negative? Recognizing your thought patterns is the first step towards change. By being mindful of your thoughts, you can identify any negative or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back from reaching your goals. Now, step number 2, challenge. Once you're aware of your thoughts, it's time to challenge them. Ask yourself, are these thoughts serving me? Are they based on facts or assumptions? By questioning your thoughts, you can separate the helpful from the harmful. Now remember, not all thoughts are true or helpful. By challenging negative thinking patterns, you can reframe them into more positive and empowering beliefs. Now, step number 3, replace. Now that we identified and challenged them, it's time to replace them with positive ones. Choose thoughts that support your goals and aspirations. Imagine your mind as a garden, right? By replacing weeds, which are negative thoughts, with flowers, you cultivate a fertile environment for growth and success. Now, step number 4, practice. Like any skill, mastering your mind required practice. Constantly apply the thinking control process in your daily life. With time and dedication, you'll strengthen your mental resilience and maximize your potential. Make it a habit to monitor your thoughts, challenge negativity, replace it with positivity, and practice regularly. Before you know it, you'll notice a profound shift in your mindset and overall well-being. Now, these are the 4 steps on how to control your mind. But remember guys, your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. Take control of them and you'll unlock endless possibilities. Now I guess that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed it and God bless you.